How to fix Google AdSense rejection and get approved step-by-step guide. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've recently received a message from Google AdSense stating that your website isn't quite ready to show ads due to some issues, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps you can take to address these issues and increase your chances of getting approved for AdSense. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Content quality. First things first, let's talk about content quality. Google AdSense wants to see high quality and original content on your website. Say no to copied or thin content that adds little value to your users. Your content should be engaging, informative, and relevant to your audience. So, take some time to review and enhance your content to meet these standards. Step 2. Privacy policy and terms of use. Next up, it's important to have a privacy policy and terms of use page on your website. These pages not only demonstrate transparency but also ensure compliance with Google's policies. Make sure they're easily accessible to your visitors. Step 3. User experience. A seamless user experience is key. Check that your website is user-friendly, loads quickly, and is mobile responsive. Google loves websites that provide a positive user experience, so focus on enhancing navigation and overall usability. Step 4. Site layout and design. Your website's appearance matters. Opt for a clean and professional design that doesn't overwhelm visitors with excessive ads or pop-ups. Remember, a clutter-free layout contributes to a better user experience. Step 5. Contact and about pages. Building trust is crucial. Ensure your website has clear and easily accessible contact and about pages. This helps establish credibility and a connection with your audience. Step 6. Prohibited content. Steer clear of prohibited content. Make sure your website doesn't feature adult content, hate speech, or any other material that violates Google's policies. It's a surefire way to get on the right track towards AdSense approval. Step 7. Sufficient content volume. Google prefers websites with a substantial amount of content. Aim to have multiple pages of high-quality material before resubmitting your application. This shows your commitment and dedication. Step 8. Website traffic. While there's no strict traffic requirement, having consistent traffic can boost your chances. Focus on promoting your website through social media, SEO, and other channels to attract visitors. Step 9. Originality. Be original in all aspects from your website's design to its branding and content. Steer clear of using copyrighted material without proper authorization. Originality sets you apart and shows your dedication to creating a unique online presence. Step 10. Fix technical issues. Last but not least, technical issues can't be ignored. Regularly check for broken links, slow loading times, and compatibility problems. A glitch-free website adds to the positive user experience. Conclusion. Applying for AdSense approval. Once you've addressed these issues, it's time to resubmit your website for AdSense review. Remember, patience is key during this process. If your website aligns with AdSense requirements and provides an excellent user experience, you're on the right path to approval. If you still have questions or need further guidance on the specific issues mentioned in the rejection message, don't hesitate to reach out to Google AdSense support. They're there to help you navigate the process successfully. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.